Ok, d'accord. La dernière vidéo. Ouais, enfin, oui. Okay, bon, d'accord. So, in this video, this is something that we're gonna actually learn and test on later this year, but hey, why not talk about it a little bit now, oui? Hey, voila, okay. On va discuter l'ordre des pronoms, the order of pronouns, okay? Because here's the deal. Sometimes it happens in a sentence where we want to use multiple pronouns within one sentence, okay? We do this all the time in English. You just don't know it because you just automatically do it, right? Okay? So in French, if you are going to use more than one pronoun in the same sentence, there is a certain order that they have to go in, okay? And so for these pronouns that we're talking about, our direct object pronouns, our indirect object pronouns, and our reflexive pronouns, okay? So here's the order. If you're using one of these pronouns, me, te, ce, nous, and vous, that has to come first, okay? Next, if you're using one of these, le, la, les, comes after that, lui, leur, and then I, and then last but not least, en, okay? So you'll hear me say this in class sometimes. It's kind of silly and goofy. Me, te, ce, nous, vous, le, la, les, lui, leur, I, en. Me, te, ce, nous, vous, le, la, les, lui, leur, I, en. Yeah. I should get my donkey to say that last part for me. Oui. Okay, d'accord. So we're just going to jump right in and look at some examples here. Bon. Okay. Au présent. Oui. Tu donnes la pomme à Luc. Are you giving the apple to Luke? Oui. So let's pretend that instead of responding and saying, yes, I am giving the apple to Luke, we want to sound more normal and we want to say, yeah, I'm giving it to him. Okay, so la pomme, direct object pronoun. We would use la to replace la pomme. À Luc, to him, we would use Louis. Okay, so what order they go in? La comes first, and then Louis. Je la lui donne. Oui, je la lui donne. Yes, I'm giving it to him. Okay. Au négatif, we just follow our same rule that we've been working on, which is le ne pas goes around both the pronouns and your conjugated verb when you've got pronouns in front of your verb. Okay. Alors, non, je ne la lui donne pas. Okay. I'm not giving it to him. Je ne la lui donne pas, which is a lot to say, right? Keep in mind again that when speaking, the French will just say this. Je la lui donne pas. Okay. Bon. Okay. D'accord. Maintenant, on va regarder une phrase au présent avec un verbe réfléchi, ok? Bon, alors, question. Vous vous intéressez à l'art? So, we're using the verb s'intéresser here, okay? To be interested, right? And it's a reflexive verb, right? So we have to have vous here, this extra vous, because that's our reflexive pronoun. Vous vous intéressez. And then in French, they s'intéresser à things. You're interested at or in things, oui? So we have here à l'art, all right? So let's say we want to respond to that, and instead of saying, yes, we are interested in art, we just want to say, yeah, we're interested in it, oui? Okay, so à l'art, that's à plus une chose, oui? So we would use the indirect object pronoun I to replace that, oui? All right, so we have to follow our order because when we respond, we're going to have our nous, right, in there. And then we're also going to have I up. Okay, so nous comes first, and then I. Nous nous y intéressons. Yes, we are interested in it. Nous nous y intéressons. Au négatif, ne pas. Nous ne nous y intéressons pas. Okay? Or, speaking, nous nous y intéressons pas. Oui, d'accord? It's a lot easier just to throw your pas on the end. Oui? Bon. Okay, bon. Maintenant, un exemple au passé composé. Léo et Luc ont apporté le livre à toi. So, did Leo and Luke bring the book to you? Oui? Okay. Alors, le livre, objet direct. We would use le to say it for le livre. À toi, to you. Oui? Okay. So, when we respond though, we're going to say, yes, they brought it to me. Okay? So, to me, indirect object pronoun, is going to be me. Oui? Okay, so we follow our order here. We have me, We also have le. Me has to come first. Oui. Ils me l'ont apporté. Yes, they brought it to me. Ils me l'ont apporté. Au négatif, non, ils ne me l'ont pas apporté. Or, ils me l'ont pas apporté. They didn't bring it to me. D'accord? So, ne pas around pronouns and your helping verb. Oui? Bon, ok, maintenant, on va regarder des exemples dans des phrases complexes. Uh-oh, je dois rester ici, je crois. Ok, phrase complexe, oui. Léa va montrer ses photos à Chloé et moi. So, is Leah going to show her pictures to Chloe and me? All right. And so, ses photos, right? Direct object pronoun, them. So, we're going to say, yeah, Leah is going to show them to you, right? We're answering somebody, all right? So, to you, since it's more than one person, would be vous. And then we have les, but what comes first? Vous first, then les. Léa va vous les montrer. So remember, pronouns go right before your infinitive in your complex sentence. So Leah is going to show them to you. Au négatif, we just put ne pas around our conjugated verb. Elle ne va pas vous les montrer. She's not going to show them to you. Okay? And now we have, we're going to do another example with a complex sentence, but this time with a reflexive pronoun. Okay? So, un exemple. Tu veux te laver les mains. Do you want to wash your hands? Oui? Okay? And in French, they're going to use the verb se laver, and then afterwards they just say whatever body part, right? So if I say, je me lave les mains, means I'm washing myself, and then it's like you're indicating your body part, right? Les mains, the hands, like I'm washing my hands, okay? Or if I wanted to say, I'm washing my face, je me lave le visage, right? They use the definite article there, the le, la, et l'apostrophe les, okay? So, do you want to wash your hands? Oui? Au positif, oui, je veux me les laver. Yes, I want to wash myself, them, is how it literally translates, but it's basically saying, yes, I want to wash my hands. Oui? Ou non, je ne veux pas me les laver. No, I don't want to wash them. Ok, bon, maintenant, un exemple au passé composé avec un verbe réfléchi. Ok? Vous vous êtes bien amusé à la fête. Oui? So, remember, s'amuser, the verb s'amuser is to have fun. Oui? So, did you have a lot of fun? Ooh, bien amusé. À la fête, at the party. Okay? So, instead of saying, yes, we had a lot of fun at the party, let's try it with a pronoun. Yeah, we had a lot of fun there. Oui? Okay? So, à plus une chose, ou à plus un lieu, préposition plus un lieu, on remplace avec le pronom indirect I. Oui? D'accord? But of course, since amuser is a reflexive verb, we're also going to have that reflexive pronoun nous in there. Okay? So if we look at our order, nous comes first, then I. So, nous nous y sommes bien amusés. So, we had fun. Nous nous sommes bien amusés. We had a lot of fun there. Nous nous y sommes bien amusés. Au négatif, we just put our ne pas right around our pronouns and our helping verb. Oui. So, nous nous y sommes pas bien amusés. Oui.